The Achilles tendon is the largest tendon in the body, and it attaches to the heel bone, the calcaneus, and that's what actually gives you the propulsion or allows you to push off on your foot when you're walking. So it's critical as far as walking and standing, and use it every day, 10,000 steps a day, depending on how much you walk. Over a period of time, where it attaches to the bone can start wearing out. The tendon itself will actually form some scar tissue in the center of the tendon. That's referred to as a tendinosis, or kind of it's a wearing of the tendon. It's in the central part of the tendon. And also you'll tend to start forming a spur in the back part of the heel. And as time goes on, that spur will tend to get larger and larger, and that spur actually digs into the tendon, and that accelerates the wearing out of that Achilles tendon. The surgery entails going and making an incision in the back part of the heel, right over the area where you're having the pain and where the tendon runs. You just go down onto the tendon, and then you have to cut into the tendon and partially detach it from the bone and clean out all the scar tissue. At the same time, you'll shave the spur off on the back part of the heel so that it's not digging into the tendon anymore. And the spur tends to be a lot bigger than you would think. And you have to clean all the scar tissue out of the tendon and then repair the tendon.